Hello, folks, and welcome back. On this episode, we're going to install a Beach Lane refrigerator fan in our Casita travel trailer. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Since we've owned our Casita travel trailer, we've noticed on our absorption refrigerator here that everything up here on the top will freeze actually, while stuff on the bottom is not as cold as we wanted. And when you look at how it's designed in here, there's no airflow. Everything comes from those metal cooling fins up there. So we decided to go ahead and install a fan, which would give us airflow throughout the refrigerator and even the temperatures up throughout the refrigerator. Now, we located this fan from Beach Lane and ordered it, and you'll see it comes with a full set of instructions of how to install it. This is what the fan looks like out of the box. You see it's got the wiring and all that we're going to hardwire it into our refrigerator, and it's got the 4 little clamps that clamp onto the actual fins inside the refrigerator. Now we're going to go ahead and hook it up, route our wire down to the bottom, and then we're eventually going to go through this hole that the thermostat goes through to the back of the refrigerator to plug it in. After we pull that white cap out, we're going to first, at this point, make sure that all power is turned off. So we'll go outside first off, pull our cover off the outside, the bottom cover. Just use a screwdriver, turn the little clips, and then you just pull the cover off. And then once the cover's off, we're going to reach in here and we're going to unplug the AC power from that plug right there. Once we have the AC power unplugged, we're going to go back inside and pull the fuse for DC power to the refrigerator. You can see the red light that we've got it pulled. Once we've got all power off, then we're going to take our wire and just fish it through or feed it through that hole. We're going to stuff enough wire in there. Then we get all the way to the back, and then we'll go outside once we get enough wire in there. You may have to play with it to get past all the instructions on there, like you see me doing here. And then just feed enough wire that you know you've got all the way into and out the back side of the refrigerator. And then once we've got our wire in here, we'll go outside and pull it the rest of the way through and take all the slack out. Once we have all the slack out, you'll see in just a minute, we're going to take the wires, we're going to route it so it's not touching anything that we don't want it to. We're going to splice the wires down, and then we're going to hook it here to the positive and negative terminals for DC power coming in. Then once you get that done, you want to tie wrap all your wires so they're nice and neat and out of the way. Now we're going to go inside and feed the wire through that little grommet and put their little grommet back in place. Now, once we've got the grommet back in place with the wire fed through it, we'll go ahead and reapply power to our refrigerator with the AC and the DC. And then now we've completed our installation. So at this point, we'll see if the fan comes on and how it works. And the fan is going to suck air in from the front, and it's going to blow it over the coils and out the bottom. And you should be able to feel fan air coming out all the way down to the bottom. Now, we have used this on several camping trips, and it has made a world of difference. Everything, I took a thermometer, and the temperature on the top rack and all the way to the bottom is the exact same now. They do match. So we think this is highly worth it. This is a very good item, and it's something we would highly recommend. We want to tell you we appreciate you watching, and thank you very much for your support. If you have any questions, drop us a line, and we'll see you in the campground.